everybody. We are on our way to one of our jobs right now. We gotta get Zach rolling this morning on what to do. We're gonna start some electrical and framing out a few more walls. And we're gonna go try to clean up some of this ice. We sure didn't get the snow that they were talking. They were talking 6 to 8 to 10 inches depending on what weather service, and we ended up getting almost 2 inches of ice. It just been it was crazy yesterday. It iced from like 2:30 in the afternoon to like 10, and I cannot believe we hadn't lose power. I'm just wondering if it's coming or not. But we are heading to the job slowly but surely. The roads aren't the greatest. But yeah, we'll catch up with you there at the job. We are here, getting ready to back up this hill. This place I gotta get out and hand shovel a little bit. We've got a pretty steep hill we're backing up right now. I usually just plow me a couple tire tracks up or hand shovel and then just salt it back up and hit it with my blade. So got that taken care of. Now let's get down here and get this bottom portion of the driveway all done. Back up here. Big basement job. I'll run by myself today. I got Tyler here with Zach helping him, and I just do everything but myself. So that way we get some more accomplished there. We were not real behind, but somewhat behind on it. Just because of all the snowfall, and we've been getting called out like absolute crazy here lately. Now we are on to another cabin and get that one cleaned, and we got a bunch of cabins to go clean up from yesterday's snow and last night's ice storm. Yeah, stay tuned. is just, everything is so frozen from, not really frozen, but it's just ice. We can't do a whole lot for the 2 inches that we got of snow prior to the ice storm. It just, we got 2 inches of snow and roughly 2 inches of ice on top of the snow, and you just could hardly break it up. I think I'm gonna try to do a couple passes through here and see what I can get broke up, and throw some salt down. I think that's the best thing we can do right now. And then once it slushes up, we can come back and clean it up then. Out here and throw some salt in our hopper. Alright, we get the folder filled up here. We got a bunch of parking lots. We gotta at least go salt. Get the lid turned back on, we'll be good to go. Well, that's gonna complete plowing for today. Really, just not much I can do. I can't get the ice to break up and get the snow that's underneath of it. So I just kind of went around and salted everything, and gonna wait it out. It's forecast ain't showing it, but we're getting snowed pretty good right now, so I don't know. This is when it comes a real big pain in the butt to try to plow once you get ice on top of the snow. So I don't know. You'll have to. This might be where this video ends, or I'm not real sure. We'll see what this weather ends up doing. I guess stay tuned. Either be back out plowing, or this will be the end of it. Alright, so we're heading out to do some cleanup today. Got my little sidekick back there with me, Maddox. He wouldn't let me leave the house today. He said, I go with you, Daddy. So, little guy's coming with me. We are heading up the road to, we got about a half a dozen properties or so we're going to be doing a cleanup on, and probably be right back at it tonight, I guess. Just I was trying to hold off the after the snow we're supposed to get tonight, but everybody wants it done now, so we're gonna go ahead and get it done and probably be right back out tonight. It's kind of a little bit different because, man, it seems like I always plow in the dark, and I had plowed one time this year in the dark, and I plowed just about every other day for the last 2.5 weeks. It's just the way the snow's been hitting us. So, kind of hoping maybe we're supposed to get hit real hard in the next 5-6 hours. So, hopefully we'll just go out and do the cleanup. After that, I'd like to try to take tomorrow off if I can. Alright, so we're at our first property. This is kind of one of the steeper hills I got, and it's all blacktop. Don't look like the driveway's very bad at all. We really salted the hill yesterday, so and prepare for this. Kick the truck in 4-wheel drive, and we're gonna back up. Rolling on hills, I guess I try to roll back down them and drive, so that way if I start taking off I can get on it and usually try to get going back up the hill. There really ain't much for us to do here. This one's pretty good. I'm gonna try to widen the driveway out a little bit down here. Next one here. Guess I'm just a little off on that. This one's kind of a pain in the butt to get into. It's such a sharp corner off the road. But we'll get into it one way or another. One thing people don't take into account is room for people to get in and out of these places. And get to talking here, I blew right past what I'm doing. Maybe just a little interesting getting back out of. Guess we'll have to plow this one going down. This one here may be kind of interesting. driveway's still frozen. Barely can do anything with it. The pile just wants to keep dropping straight down. Pull forward, back up a few times. It will, sometimes that helps to break the ice up. Hey, buddy.
What are you saying, Tom? What are you saying, Daddy? I'm not saying, Daddy.
What, bud?
I'm not saying, Daddy.
Yeah, we're plowing snow. Trying to, at least.